What's up, everybody? There are only four crypto trading components required to grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange. With that, the first crypto trading component is to build a consistently profitable crypto trading framework. The second crypto trading component is to implement the right cryptocurrency asset allocation. The third crypto trading component is to boost your crypto trading capital with a 10x leverage. And finally, the fourth crypto trading component required to grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange is to grab the psychology of a good cryptocurrency trader. That's it. If you can implement this four crypto trading components in every cryptocurrency exchange, you will absolutely grow your money fast in that cryptocurrency exchange. And the best part, I created one of the most consistently profitable crypto trading frameworks I call the 4 steps to minimize losses, maximize profits, and grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange. And in this live crypto trading today, I'm going to walk you through my simple 4 steps to minimize losses, maximize profits, and grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange. Keep watching. Hey, I'm Andrew Oko, and I've been trading and investing in cryptocurrencies for literally 10 years now.